Let's go for my appointment.
They say the holy water's watered down. Colors will fade eventually. So if it's running out, we'll make the mundane a masterpiece. Oh.
What's your husband's? So is no appointment needed? She's coming.
That's beat. You know, yeah, where we laugh. The baby kicked now. That's why she said that. The baby is not happy that he was like, get that off me, I'll be clotted. Now them, they always know everything. This is your cereal. This is my attempt to vlog a day in my life. As a mama of toddler and a mama to be. So we are going out today and I want to bring you guys along. So come along with me to go shopping. Leave it! As a mama to be and a mama of toddler. Come and show your face. Say hello. Hello. Am I recording? Yeah. So let's see how that will go. How successful that would be. What do you want to say? Yeah, face the camera. What's up? We're going out today. Yeah, we want to vlog.
The picture catches me.
And this is my bag from BKNY. Let's go.
Let's go.
Ijogba Pro Max. I look like a pop. I'll see you guys when I see you. Guys, I have to put you on to this one. Like, this is my first time of making this smoothie. It actually tastes so good, like so good, and the benefit is good for you. It's good for you, you pregnant mama. You pregnant mama. So I'm gonna get tetanus shot. We're back here.